Alright guys, welcome back to Smudge Logic. I'm Adam, and I'm drawing a tribal-like portrait. A woman with a lot of tattoos. I got a little inspiration from Love, Death, and Robots. And of course, wanted to add a little flair along with the charcoal, which would be some UV paints. Started off with some Willow Charcoal, and then I moved on to some pastel powder. And just gonna move that right along. Most of this will be time lapse because this took me a little while, but I'll be interjecting here and there. I had no real reference for this one. I just wung it. If I'm being completely honest, this drawing, the only thing I didn't like about it was how the UV paint came out. I mean, it's still cool, but... And I tried to make it more chaotic, and it just didn't work. Tried a few different methods throughout the drawing, as you'll see in the video. This drawing, I like it. There's something off about it. It just didn't work for me. It's not a bummer, but it's not great either. I'm my own worst critic. The tattoos, I did use some references for, and I'll put that in the video with a link to, I think it was Unsplash or Pixels.com. But either way, it had 2 references actually that worked out real well. The rest of them, I just wung it. You'll see some hearts and diamonds and a 3-leaf clover. I started off with these. It's supposed to look like kind of like teeth that run up along her jawline there. And I had a little hard time with that, but came out okay. At this point in the drawing, I'm kind of just winging the tattoos. I figure 75% are tattoos, 25 face paint. And, even the symbols have no meaning. I just kind of wung it. And these are the UV paints I'll be using. I did decide to use a red, which came out okay. Thanks for sticking around, and see you in the next one.